Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The last session saw the dollar gain 0.6% against the yen. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 0.2% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.3% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.3% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil rose 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The S&P 500 and Nasdaq closed lower as market bellwether Nvidia retreated from earlier gains, while investors evaluated recent economic data and commentary from Federal Reserve officials to determine the timing of interest rate cuts this year. Japanese cryptocurrency exchange Bitflyer will acquire the Japanese arm of the collapsed crypto trading platform FTX. Bitflyer Holdings is acquiring and subsequently rebranding FTX Japan, the firm officially announced. The dollar edged higher, hoisted by wider interest rate differentials, as other major economies start cutting rates ahead of the US and parts of Europe face political turmoil.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI will be released at 0:30 GMT, the Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 7 GMT, the French business climate in manufacturing at 6:45 GMT. The UK's retail sales will be released at 6 GMT, Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT, the UK's public sector net borrowing at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.